My name is Paulo Morales, and for the past few months, I've been working on a project with a single goal: to cut months of development down to just a few minutes. This project is called Kasy, and without exaggeration, it's the most complete multi-platform development kit in Flutter. It all starts with a single command, kasy new, and that's it. In just a few minutes, you have a working project and can choose between Firebase, Supabase, or a REST API. It's not an empty project, it's a setup that's truly production ready. And the coolest thing is that this philosophy goes through all of Kasy from end to end. Our CLI available in Portuguese, Spanish, and English, multi-language, to make using a complete CLI easy. Kasy New delivers the structure ready to go. But if you want to automate or submit to the App Store or Google Play, with just a few commands from our CLI, you can do it. The idea is simple: less time configuring, more time building. When I say ready, I'm talking about complete authentication, login with Google, Apple, email and password, and other social logins, push notifications, local notifications, a complete backend structure, database rules for relational and non-relational. Everything configured so you don't waste days or weeks configuring the most boring part of the project. But Kasy isn't just a template. It delivers over 60 ready-to-use components, onboarding screens, organized architecture, tokenized design, and a complete Figma file so you can customize and rebrand your business. Plus, it features an improvement solutions tool right inside your own app, and a chat that can be integrated with AI. Several features that would take weeks to implement. All of this already integrated into Kasy New. And a differentiator that I think is awesome are the skills. If you use Cursor, Cloud, or any other IDE of your choice, Kasy delivers ready-to-use skills and prompts to handle the entire rebranding of the app. Changing the name, colors, logo, visual identity, all of that in just a few commands. And there's another feature that makes a huge difference day to day. Kasy already comes with device preview built right into the project. While you develop in the cloud, in Cursor, or whatever tool you prefer, you can view and inspect the device in the browser, seeing it in real time with high fidelity. You can switch between iPhone, Android, tablet, and even web. Everything is extremely true to the final result. And the most powerful part, while you're developing, you can use the device preview solution to inspect any element so the ALI can make whatever change you want. This makes development much faster and more productive. Even though I've developed over 60 apps in my software house, Kasy was built mainly for those who have never developed an app before. Even if you're not an experienced developer, you can follow a much faster process. In fact, publishing follows this same philosophy. With just one command in the CLI, you set up the entire environment to publish via Code Magic to Apple and Google Play. The idea was never just to deliver code. The goal is to get you to implement your idea as quickly as possible. Instead of spending months on infrastructure, authentication, architecture, and components, you start practically ready, getting to a point that would normally take weeks to reach. With this, launching your first version in 7 days becomes totally possible. And to make this accessible, all the documentation was written step by step in extremely simple language. Even beginners can follow the steps to launch their app. And if you want to go further, we have the Kasy Club. Besides getting access to the kit, you join a community where you can share experiences, network, get closer support, grow much faster, and meet other people who are also developing their apps. If you want to stop wasting time configuring your project and actually start developing what matters, Kasy was created exactly for that. The only command to start, Kasy New, and a smart CLI that automates the whole process. A complete project ready for production. Now, just turn your idea into an app.